Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting the essential originals: the RC, buyer and seller ID, address proofs, insurance, and PUC. Once done, confirm there are no pending challenges or hypo the cation. Obtain an NOC from the financier if required. Make sure you sign Form 29/30 where applicable. Now scan each document into clear PDFs, 200-500 KB each, and log in to your state transport portal. This immediate setup speeds the online transfer and prevents back and forth for missing items. You next fill the transfer form on the portal. Enter chassis and engine numbers exactly, input the sale date and both parties' details, and choose the correct vehicle class. Once completed, upload the scanned RC, ID, insurance, PUC, and the signed Form 29/30. Make sure file names match the checklist. Then proceed to payment, use net banking, card, or generate an e-challen. After payment, save the digital receipt and note the application number so you can track status and respond to queries. You finish by monitoring the application status online and preparing for any required vehicle inspection. Attend promptly when scheduled. Once approved, download the ERC or await the printed RC by post and verify all details like owner name and address. If the application is rejected, read the portal comments, correct or obtain missing documents, and re-upload immediately. Make sure to reference your application number. If problems persist, contact the Transport Help Desk with the number and clear copies to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.